In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to enable the Authenticator app for Roblox Mobile. So firstly, go into your Roblox Mobile app and now you should be taken here. And in here, just click on the three dots in the bottom right corner, and then we're going to scroll down and click on Settings right here. So now what you're going to do on Settings right here is that you're going to click on Security, as you can see. So just click on Security, then scroll down, and where it says Authenticator app, just click right here. Just click here. And you might get like this, that you have to go into your email and enter a 6-digit code, just so you know. So that basically just means that you will get like an email right now and you have to enter the six-digit code and then click on verify. And I'm going to do so right now. So now I've entered the code, so I'm just going to click on verify right now. And by the way, if you haven't yet linked your email address on Roblox, you have to probably do so before you can actually proceed, just so you know. So in here, you will need to enter the manual entry key above. As you can see, you will be able to see the key above here for you specifically. So enter it into your Authenticator app, the one that you want to be able to use, of course, and then enter the 6-digit code that you get from them, and then click on verify right here. And that is basically exactly how to do this.